In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Trello lead tracker for your sales pipeline. We're starting from a clean slate, so you can see the full setup. Open Trello and create a new board, and give it a clear name, like lead tracker or sales pipeline, so your team recognizes its purpose at a glance. On this board, build your lists from left to right to mirror the natural flow of a deal. Start with new leads for unqualified or incoming contacts. Next is contacted for anyone you've reached out to. Then add qualified or discovery to capture your first conversations and needs assessments. Proposal or quote is for when you've shared pricing or a solution. Negotiation is where active terms and closing discussions live. Finally, round it out with closed won for successful conversions and closed lost for anything that's dead or disqualified. This left to right layout gives you a true visual pipeline, and moving a card from one list to the next becomes a simple drag and drop habit. Now, let's make each card work like a compact deal room. Every card represents a single lead or opportunity. Open a card and use the description to store the essentials you'll reference often, like contact details, the company, and a brief summary of the project scope. This keeps context front and center for quick catch-ups. Add a checklist to map the repeatable steps that move a lead forward. For example, tasks like send proposal or schedule demo. As you check items off, you'll always know what's next. Attach relevant documents directly to the card, such as proposals, contracts, or any research that supports your conversations, so nothing gets lost across tools. Finally, set due dates on follow-ups to keep momentum. Due dates make it clear when outreach or deliverables are expected, helping you avoid stalls in the pipeline. To make your board instantly scannable, apply a simple labeling system. Color code temperature with green for hot, yellow for warm, and red for cold. Use additional labels to call out priority or value, such as high value, low value, or urgent. With consistent labels, you can glance across lists and immediately understand where attention is needed, which deals are heating up, and which ones can wait. That's the complete setup I rely on to stay organized, move deals with intention, and keep follow-ups on time. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.